Welcome to Financial Hub. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to log in Byline Bank online banking account. For that, make sure you open one preferred web browser. Here I'm opening Google Chrome. Now at the search bar, you can simply search www.bylinebank.com and press enter. Now you will be led to this kind of interface. And here you can see this option where you need to choose your account type, either personal, business, or wealth management. Now you need to choose according to your preference or according to your type. For this video, I will go for personal banking. Now after that, you will be led to this kind of page where you need to enter your user ID. Now in case if you have forgotten your user ID, then you can click on this option and they will be guiding you further to recover it. If not, you can click on continue. And at the next page, they will be asking you your password. And after you enter your password, you can be successfully logged into your Byline Bank account. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.